Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, in this video, we will talk about how to fix ChatGPT something went wrong while generating your image error. For this, press on the ChatGPT for a few seconds. Now, tap on I icon, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear cache, go back to the previous page. Now, click on force stop, click on OK, and after this go back to the home page. Now open the Play Store app on your device. At the bottom tap on the search icon and search for ChatGPT. Click on update. Now go back to the home page. Check your internet, is it working properly or not, and after that just restart your phone for once, and yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell